So the smartphone video training course is essentially a 9-hour course. It's a 4-hour introduction to equipment and filming workshop and a 4-hour editing and upload to social media workshop. Following these, you come back to us for a 1-hour one-to-one follow-up session. So on the course, you will learn how to film, edit and upload video content, all from the comfort of your own phone. You'll get the opportunity to use all the latest equipment and try them out to see what suits your purposes and if you need to invest in any equipment at all. Our clients come from the SME, public and education sectors, and since starting Póca Productions in August 2018, approximately 100 people have learned how to make video content using the technology in their pockets. Mostly our SME clients use video to improve their reach on social media, but some of our clients use it in a different way. One in particular is using video as an instructional tool for her short stay clients in her accommodation, to show them where the keys are and show them how to use the appliances. Our clients from the LYIT School of Business are using video as a learning support tool for their students. So if you would like to learn how to make professional looking video content using the technology in your smartphone, then get in contact with me, Camilla, using the contact details at the end here.